right, leaving our sleeping spot for the beach right now. Oh my God, we're at the beach. Nice. We did move, so currently we parked up off to the side. We are over here, and funny enough, I fell asleep like as soon as I moved to this spot, and I left my key in the ignition and killed my battery. Thank you, truck. So my battery is currently dead right now. I have the solar trickle charge going on it, and we will try jumping it in about 2 hours. If that doesn't work, I will grab a Nikita battery and splice some wires to the negative and the positive, and see if we could get the car jumped that way. So that's going to be interesting. I've never done it before, but I've seen people do it online. You know, I definitely need to grab some jumper cables for the jackery for sure, because this is the second time now that I've killed my battery just from not turning off the key. And because I didn't turn off the key, it was charging the jackeries. So, you know, it kind of makes sense if I'm going to be killing my battery to grab a jackery jump starter for the car. So that's going to be a must-have. And yeah, other than that, we're just chilling at the beach, guys. We're just watching the boats and everything. I'm probably going to get the drone up here in a little bit and get some cool drone footage. I love flying the drone, especially at the beach. So let's get some drone footage going. But actually, first I'm thirsty. I'm gonna make some gamer subs. I'll be right back. Since we are at the beach, it only makes sense that we use Blowhole Blast, because this is a beach flavor. So let's go ahead and get 3 scoops of this in my water. 1, 2, 3. Heck yeah. Bye. Gotta love that nice blue. Feel like I'm drinking ocean water. Now I'm ready to fly a drone. Alright, so the wind has picked up a little bit and it's getting a little chilly, but it's almost been 2 hours. Got my 2-hour timer there. We got 30 minutes left. This has been sitting out in the sun. And like I said, once this 2-hour timer's up, we will try to start the element. And if it doesn't start, we will try to do the jump start hack with the Nikita battery. So it's going to be interesting no matter what. Alright, I'll see you guys a little bit. I'm just relaxing, enjoying everything. Alright guys, so the time has come. I let it sit for 2 hours. It's been getting some pretty decent sunlight. Let's see if she'll start. No way! Hey, if you need a trickle charger, dude, this is where it's at right here. That thing, oh man. I mean, I gave it 2 hours because in YouTube videos it was saying that it was gonna need probably like 4 to 5. And I'm like, bro, I'm gonna give this thing 2 hours. I can't believe that. That's awesome. Oh man. I'm so glad I purchased this. Like, yeah, this right here. I'll definitely be leaving a link for it down in the description. I'm not sponsored by them, but honestly, if you are just ever in need of a jump start, this right here will save you, man. If it's daytime and you got some decent sun, I mean, it's a little overcast and smoky. I don't know how well that's going to show up in the video, but I mean, this right here, man, it saved the day. It saved the day for sure. Heck yeah. Alright, so we are at Beach Hut Deli, and we're gonna go grab some beer and some sandwiches. Let's go. Alright guys, so the sandwich and my beer just got here. Hella trippin'. Dude, this can is wild. I'm glad I got this. It's supposed to be a fruity IPA, I believe, so let's give it a shot. It should go well with the pineapple and pork sandwich that I got, so. Hard crack. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We are eating outside because I do have Hades with me, but I'm going to go ahead and try this beer right now, so. Oh, that is good. Alright, let's try to get this sandwich going. Whoa, thing's massive. Oh, pulled pork with pineapple, dude. You can't go wrong. Honda Element. I love being in Santa Cruz. So many Honda Elements, dude. Everywhere you look. Alright, I'm gonna eat this and enjoy my beer, and I will see you guys once we start heading back towards San Jose. Tell me, are you a bad fish too? Are you a bad fish too? Alright guys, beer is gone, sandwich is gone. Got to enjoy some good music, and let's get up out of here, man. Alright guys, so we got our package, and it's right here. I made it back to my parents' place safe and sound, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Yeah. It's an inflatable doll! It's an inflatable doll? Where would I put that in the element, huh? Woo! It's close though. It's a gamer subs cup. It's a gamer subs cup. I bought it off of eBay. I needed this one. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why I needed this one. It's special. I don't have a problem. You have a problem. I don't have a problem. So, this cup right here is anything for views. I love cold ones. So, and even before then, the old days when he was roaming around with Joe G, and you know, the boys. Oh, cool. And I even got the sticker for it. Anything for views sticker. Yeah. So, bought that one off of eBay. Kind of had to have it. I'm looking for the Max Mofo one right now. So, if you guys see a Max Mofo Gamer Subs Cup floating around up there, DM me, email me, let me know. I did lose out on a bid to one. It just got too high, and I just didn't feel like paying an exorbitant amount for a cup. So I'm looking for one for a fair price, I guess, but good luck with that. Here's hoping for the best, but yeah, new cup, and it's sealed. Like, that's freaking awesome. I love it. Alright, I don't know what else we're gonna get into for today. I know that the Winchester is doing a pre-opening night tour, so I might go do that tonight. If I do, I'll definitely be taking you guys with me, so see you in a little bit. Well, I've been hanging out with the Pops, and Mom just got home. And it looks like she brought home some hot sauce, which, you know, I'm definitely happy about. And in this little baggie, you know what? I'll wait for her to come out here and show us what's in this little bag out here. All right, Mama, what'd you get us?
Watermelon wine.
Yes.
Homemade wine.
Dude, oh my. Oh yeah, I'm down to try some for sure. Shaky, shake, shake.
Mom's gonna have some in the glass.
Oh.
And you can have the rest of the bottle.
Gotcha.
You know there's still another bottle of the other one in there.
Oh, there's a bottle of the other one? Oh.
Are you going tonight?
I'm thinking about it, yeah. I did an RSVP.
Ooh.
Yeah.
You'll still be able to.
Right, that's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna try to do it right now.
Okay, hold on.
Alright guys, so I'm actually gonna pour the rest of the wine into my brand new Gamer Subs cup that I got. I feel like this is what anything for views would have wanted with this cup to be used for alcohol. So this Gamer Subs cup is going to be specifically just for alcohol. Bam! Alright, Ma.
Ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks.
Jake from State Farm, I really need to know.
Go spicy or go
Oh my God.
Wow. How does she do that?
For my car.
Oh, you're
Seriously.
It's just what you need.
What if I accidentally...
Wow, that is her best one yet. She said it was, and it is.
That's-
Oh my God.
So, guys, let me explain. The other ones that we've had, the aftertaste is really, really alcohol-y. It's really winey. You know when you've had a really strong red and it just kind of hits you? This one is super smooth. I don't even know how to explain, like, how not much of an alcoholic taste. It literally tastes like I'm drinking lemonade-flavored water, almost.
One of the few representatives of Mexican culture in the NFL.
I don't have that on my shoulder.
With, like, a hint of a little bite. It's kind of like a sour, almost. But, oh, man. Oh, your coworker. I guess my coworker's now too. But
Well, she doesn't work there anymore. But
oh, she doesn't work there anymore, dude. Man, watermelon wine, bro. What a come up. Heck yeah. All right, we are at the Winchester Mystery House, guys, and the back parking lot is full. I've never seen it this full before. It is just a test tonight, so that is pretty crazy for how packed this thing is. I mean, I had to park all the way in the back. So, hopefully Hades will be safe. And it should just be in, go get some spooky scares, and then we'll be out and having a good time.
Yes, lie.
Activities. Got Jenga, street skeet, and a foam axe throwing. Cool.
Always do suspicion. Something seems off. You look around, something is weird. Oh yes, do be suspicious. Do be suspicious. Get closer and closer and closer and
Pretty bright in here. There's an axle that works here? That's sick.
The first thing I make us do is walk on
A ladder, yeah.
That's not even funny.
Yeah. Hey, you need the bad luck.
Nope, not gonna do it.
You have to walk under the ladder.
I don't have to do anything.
You gotta walk under the.
I know how to go around.
You need the bad luck.
I'm going around.
Give me that bad luck, baby. Whee! You guys walk around it.
I ain't doing it.
Hey, another one! Hey, double bad luck! Yeah, it's pitch black. Huh. Cool, so we are now going inside. It's definitely a lot cooler, like, with it all set up and everything. It's pretty cool. I like that. That's my favorite. This is my favorite room right here. Yeah, the atrium is my favorite room. Ooh, spooky, spooky, Ray, spooky.
Some money that goes in there.
Don't worry about that. It's the door to nowhere. There was someone up there.
And with that, my friends,
I'm recording all of this.
we are the Crimson Harbinger Society, a lantern for the illumination of mankind.
Spooky.
A sister Becky. Brother Larry, sister Gail.
Come on in, please.
Yes, we do not buy.
What a joyous occasion.
If I pay extra, will you buy it?
how much does it cost to bite?
These are the real questions.
Well,
I'll pay extra, guys. I'm your favorite, remember?
Oh, yes.
you are my favorite.
Thank you, guys.
And don't worry, we'll sink our teeth into you soon enough.
Oh my. So it's free. That's what I'm hearing.
Head inside, inside.
You get to one side, she gets to one side.
That's fair. I like it.
Come on over.
Dominion lie in wait. By harnessing these shadows, by wielding their raw, untamed power, one may gain access to true transcendence. As stewards of this age-old wisdom, we pledge to cultivate an environment steeped in contemplation, spiritual advancement, and camaraderie. As stewards of this age-old wisdom, we pledge to cultivate an environment steeped in contemplation, steeped in contemplation, steeped in contemplation, and camaraderie. We provide you with the tools, the rituals, and the knowledge required, but the first step is up to you. You may choose to remain in the murky, humdrum realm of existence you call life, forever rotting in your untapped potential. Or join us and experience the wonders of eternal salvation. The Crimson Harbinger Society awaits you.
Here we go. Let's go.
Alright guys, so I was asked to not film inside the house, so I didn't film inside the house. but it was definitely cool. Started leaving the parking lot. Cool Sailor Moon car right there. You park like shit sticker. That's funny. I like that.
Oh man, what a day it's been. I can tell you right now, I haven't had a good day like that in a while. Hitting up the beach and then coming back here to go to a haunted house, like, A1 for sure. Man, I think I'm gonna get some sleep. I'm pretty tired. So I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe.